ready for more. Ready to ditch your glasses and contacts and connect with every moment, every experience. Ready to fully immerse yourself in real life. You're ready for Contoura Vision. Contoura Vision is personalized LASIK, completely customized to you, and it can free you from the limitations of glasses and contacts. Contoura Vision patients experience improvements on many of the visual symptoms commonly associated with glasses and contacts. Symptoms like light sensitivity, reading difficulty, halos, glare, and starbursts. And with Contoura Vision, driving at night may be easier. But the results don't stop there. In a study, it was shown that Contoura Vision outperformed glasses and contacts in 30.9% of eyes that received treatment. This is why 98.4% of Contoura Vision patients said they would get the procedure again. These are real results that can completely redefine the quality of what you see. Now you're free to fully experience incredible detail, depth, clarity, up close and far away, day and night. And that makes every moment more real. Contoura Vision is about you and real.